What's up? I'm Kyle. This is my 2021 Indian Scout Bobber 60, and today I'm gonna go to the Vintage Motorcycle Museum in Johnson City. So let's get it. So Johnson City is about an hour away. Never been before, so we'll see how the traffic is, how crazy it is, how's the drive, whatever. But first things first, coffee. Gotta get some coffee in me, then we're off. Alright. So, got the coffee. It's called a 6-shooter. 6 shots of espresso. Boy, about to be juiced to the gills. This is probably going to be my first video on YouTube. I'm thinking about making the channel, you know, like trips, reviews, tips, show you what parts I like on the bike, what I don't like. I got a seat coming in, I got a sissy bar coming in, and some new bars. So I'll probably do some reviews of those. So anyway, I'm gonna chug this thing down, get all charged up, and then we're off. All right. I can tell you one thing about the Scout Bobber. It's not really made to do, you know, long trips around. If you're putting around the city and stuff, I mean, perfect. But I'd say if you want to go, you know, an hour or more, I would look into getting a new seat. I got one coming in. It's just, you know, the positioning, your body, the wind, you're going to end up with your back kind of hurting after about 45 minutes to an hour, especially if you're fighting wind, you know. It's nice Texas hill country back here. Just 2-lane roads, not too crazy. Nice. Nice weather outside too. A couple clouds here and there. Sun's not too brutal right now. Might be a different story coming back though. So, full disclosure, this is the longest trip I've done on this bike. I've had it for about 3 months, and I don't know if you could tell, 990 miles on it. Haven't even broke 1,000. I'm thinking about later down the road. I know it's a bobber and you're not supposed to put bags on it and all that. I don't give a shit. I want to throw some bags on it. I want to do, you know, some long trips, camping, you know. I like that kind of stuff. Alright, made it to Marble Falls. Passed a lot of motorcycles in this town. It's because so many hills out here. It's a good ride. About halfway. Should be there in about another 20 minutes, 30 minutes. Vintage motorcycles and a grizzly bear. All right, well. This guy. So many motorcycles in it. It's crazy. I mean, just, I've never even heard of some of these brands. It's insane. Originally made for the war. That red and white. I love it. I mean, just awesome.
awesome. James Dean throwing shade. Love it. Well, that place was cool as hell. Definitely recommend it. Johnson City, nice ride. So many bikes. So many bikes. Now, I'm gonna grab some food and I guess trek back before it gets way too hot out here. All right, let's do it.
Man, Texas can be so nice sometimes. Love it. All right. Well, all in all, that was a pretty fun trip. I mean, the roads out here are awesome. I mean, and I couldn't have picked a better day. I thought it was going to be real hot, but there's good cloud cover. It's amazing. I mean, that motorcycle museum, something. Had a real fun time with that. I'm going to start doing a lot more of these. I really don't know what I'm going to do next. This is probably going to be my first upload on YouTube. And then, you know, maybe camping, maybe, you know, going someplace further. Gonna have to wait till I get a seat, a different seat to do that, because my ass hurts real bad. But yeah, if you guys enjoyed this, you know, and you want to see more, like it, subscribe, and thanks for watching. Check y'all later. Peace.